We will write logic to display a given string for 5 times. Of course, using a while loop, we want to write the logic. Suppose a string is given to us like a hello. That hello I want to display for exactly 5 times. So this is a task. The first step is a start, and in the second step we have to take the string from the keyboard. Then the third step is I'm taking one count because I want to count how many times I am displaying this string. So initially count I am taking as 1, and I want to use while loop. While condition, I have to write do. Do means execute. So what you want to execute? I want to print the given string, and then I want to increment the count by 1. Why? Because one time you displayed means we have to increase the counter by 1. Please observe this logic. Count is initially 1. Okay, fine. Now here I am supposed to write the condition. How many times I have to display the string? It has been given already. I have to display the string for 5 times. So here how can I write the condition? If the count is less than 5, I want to display the string. That means if the count is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, I want to display the string. If the count is equal to 5 also, I want to display the string. But if count value is greater than 5, that means 6 times, 7 times, 10 times, I don't want to display the string. I want to display the string up to 5 times only. So as long as count less than or equal to 5, do the following steps. That means execute the following steps. So print the string and increment the counter. Now observe this, what happens. Count is initially 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. Is it true? Yes, it is true. 1 less than 5 is true. Then display the string first time. Then count value you are increasing. So count is already 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You are storing into count. So count value is 2. Now 2 less than or equal to 5. In the loop you will go back again. So 2 less than or equal to 5 is true. Then display the string second time. Count is 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. True. Display the string for third time. Then count you are incrementing. Count will be 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Yes, 4 less than 5. True. Display the string fourth time. Increment the counter by 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 you are storing into count. So count value will be 5. Go back and check the condition. 5 less than or equal to 5. Yes, 5 is equal to 5. That is true. So again display the string for fifth time. So 5 times you are displaying the string. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 you are storing into count. 6 less than or equal to 5. This condition is false because 6 is not less than 5. 6 is not equal to 5. 6 is greater than 5. So this condition is not true. It becomes false. When this condition is false, you will come out to the next step. In the next step, we are stopping. Why? Because we have displayed the string already for 5 times. So this is a simple algorithm. Now let us translate this algorithm into a Python program to display a string for exactly 5 times. So here take the string. So I am taking the string into str variable. I am using input, enter a string. This is what I am asking the user. So what this input function does, this input function in Python will display this message, enter a string, and it will wait. When the user enters a string means group of characters, this input function will receive them and stores them into str. Now count is equal to 1. So initially count value 1, while count less than or equal to 5 colon. Please remember, after the condition you have to put colon and then you have to write the statements in the body of while loop. Now print the string. So I have to print the string using a print function. Then increment the counter by 1. So count is equal to count plus 1. So these two statements in the while loop are repeatedly executed. File save, run module. So it is asking me to enter a string. I am entering hello and it is displaying hello for 5 times exactly.